Hello, my dear artist. Today I would like to paint a very simple tulip with you. Do you want to? Then grab your pens and have a lot of fun. Well done! Now I'm going to color my tulip. For this I use purple and pink for the flowers and green for the leaves. What colors do you use for your tulip? Write it in the comments. You did that great! If you liked it, please subscribe and we'll see you next time on a new painting adventure. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye!